it's nice to have you folks come down today and spend time with us. So, you know, let me welcome all of you to our first Freshers Meet for 2012. Many things have happened in the last 1 year. And there has been a lot of questions as well as to how HYMS came to be, how are we doing, how are we sustaining ourselves, who's funding us. So let me try and clarify a few of you, and I'll also try and give you a report of what we have done in the last 1 year as well. To start with, HYMS was established on 9 July 2011. The group was formed to help reach out to a fellow Manipuri or people from Manipur. This was never intended to be like a union. That's not the intent of HYMS. HYMS was started so that we can support one another, we can help one another, not just the Meitei community, but I think a larger community of people from Manipur. So far, I think we have close to 200 members, and with each event we do, the number keeps rising. So thank you all for being part of this group in any way you can. But having said that, all of us are working, all of us have commitments to work, personal, professional, and I'd like to request you for your time and energy that if you want to get involved with HYMS, we're very glad to have you part of the team. We need people to run the website, we need people to handle our social media, which is the Facebook page that we have. For now, a few of us are doing it on our own, so we need people, we need a lot of people to sort of run that. So if anybody wants to be a part of this, do let us know and we'd be happy to have you with us. Also, the other thing that has been asked quite a few times is how is HYMS sustaining itself? Who's funding it? How do we get the money? Frankly, we've been contributing. If you ask any of our members, we've been contributing whatever amount we can, 100, 200, doesn't really matter. It's not the amount. I think it's basically how much we want to contribute. Also, the other thing is we have done events, Thabo Chongba last year. Thankfully, that raised a lot of money for us, and we're able to spend a lot of money in organizing this. And hopefully, we'll try to do similar events in the future that will help us get funds and get finances for ourselves and be able to run programs, in a big way. Like I mentioned earlier, one of the reasons we started this group is to bring various communities together. We've initiated and conducted various events. Let me just give you a rundown of what we have done in 2011. The first was the Get Together and Sports Meet, which was the inaugural event as part of the HYMS inauguration. We also did an Eid feast where we invited our Muslim friends to join us and be part of us. We also did the Rom Sharmila movement, which was the first one we did. Then we had the Thabo Chongba, and then we had another Rom Sharmila activity that we did. We also had an advanced Christmas celebration, which unfortunately didn't have too many turnouts, but hopefully for 2012 when we do the advanced Christmas, I'd like all of you to join us as well. We had a football tournament, we also had another Thabo Chongba, and we also did one of the big event which is around Richard Loita. So we did Candlelight Drizzle and we did a protest in Hyderabad. Like I said, so these were some of the things that we did in 1 year. We're still learning, we're still trying to do a lot of things. None of us are perfect, we make mistakes. But do feel free to come back to us with your feedbacks and suggestions as to what kind of events you want us to do in the future. We'll be happy to sort of include that in the calendar. Like I said, we'll try to be a little more organized next time, and so forth. So that being said, I thank you once again for being a part of this, and I hope enjoy the stay, the feast that was organized, and hopefully the program that's going to follow now. Uh, so sit back and enjoy, and thank you all for your patience, and I look forward to having a great time today. Thank you so much.